Welcome to my channel. I'm Shadow Scout Swede. Welcome to all my new supporters. You're very welcome. This is a tag video. I was tagged by Hiking Deep, a great guy with a great channel. And I will put his link in the description box. And this is a free knife challenge tag. Sorry. My favorite knife, most used knife, and my smallest knife and less used knife. Okay, let's start. Everybody has seen this. This is my Fallkniven Model A1. This knife is my favorite knife because this has never failed me. And it has performed very well. So I'm very happy with that knife. And my second is my Leatherman Wave. You have seen that one too. And this one is my most used one. I use this one almost every day. It's a good quality knife. Good quality multi-tool, okay? And this performs very well for me. And my smallest knife is my Gerber from my Bear Grylls survival kit. And it looks like this. This is my smallest. Isn't this one cute? Right? Let's see how big it is. Isn't that cute? Pocket clip as well. This has a pretty thick blade, as you can see, and this is stainless steel, but I don't know the specs on this knife. And this one, this little baby is really razor sharp. I have tried it out once on paper, and this one cuts like a laser. Well, I'm not gonna make this video too long, so I will jump off here and I will put this together and upload it. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to ring the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. And go outdoors and seek your adventure, and may your adventures be awesome. Okay? Shadow Scout Swede out. Long live the king, strength and honor, and I will see you in the next one.